Hi, my name is Marie and I'm a museum educator at Crystal Bridges. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make handmade paper out of recycled paper scraps. This project is inspired by Pam Longobardi's Ghosts of Consumption, which you learned about in the previous video.
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
Use these materials from your My Museum kit: an embroidery hoop, a window screen square, colorful construction paper, and a pen. With permission from an adult, find these materials in your home. Paper scraps, a large bowl with warm water, paper towels, and, optionally, a blender. Shred or tear paper into small pieces. You can use both the construction paper in the kit and scrap paper from around your home. The colors of paper you choose will create the color of your finished paper round. If you have a blender, fill it over half full with warm water and add a handful of paper pieces. Blend the mixture until it reaches an oatmeal consistency. If you don't have a blender, place your paper pieces in a bowl of warm water and leave it to set for a few hours, preferably overnight. Then have fun using your hands to squish and tear the soggy paper until it is in the smallest pieces possible. Pour the paper pulp into a large bowl or tub with water. A greater proportion of pulp will create a thicker piece of paper. You can adjust the mixture as needed. Place the window screen square in your embroidery hoop. Make sure the screen is stretched tightly, with no wrinkles or bumps. This will create a screen to make paper with. Then, swirl the water and pulp with your hand. Dip your embroidery hoop under the pulp with the flat screen facing up and lift out. Once you've lifted the hoop out of the water, gently shake it to drain any excess water. Then, slowly turn the hoop upside down onto a paper towel. Use additional paper towels to sponge the back of the embroidery hoop screen. Once enough water is removed, you can lift the embroidery screen and your paper round will stick to the towel. Then, place another paper towel on top of your new piece of paper. Use a sponge, rolling pin, or even your hands to press down gently, flattening the paper. Then leave it to dry on a flat surface. If you want to make sure your paper does not wrinkle, place a heavy board or old book on top. When you're done, make sure to clean up your space and put your unused supplies back in your My Museum kit. Then, when your paper is dry, you can peel it off the paper towel and write a kind note using your pen. Who will you write your note to? Thanks so much for creating art with me today.
With an adult's permission, take a photo or two of your completed art project and post it on social media with the hashtag MyMuseumKit. Enjoy exploring!